Good morning, class 10, mathematics. Today I will explain Pythagoras theorem in chapter triangle. Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem I have already explained, and I suppose you must have learned, you must have understood what is the Thales theorem. Today we will see Pythagoras theorem. I am sure you must have heard this name Pythagoras, a foreigner, prominent mathematician, and he has given the world a famous theorem. The theorem says that in a right triangle, only in a right triangle you understand, the triangle in which one angle is right angle, the triangle having one angle 90 degree, that triangle is called right angle triangle. In short, these days we simply say right triangle. And so I was explaining what is Pythagoras. Pythagoras, a famous mathematician, he has given the world a theorem. Theorem is a statement, geometrical fact that can be proved with the help of reasoning and logic and axioms, postulates. So they are called theorem. In this theorem, in a right triangle, the square of hypotenuse you understand, in a right triangle, one angle will be right angle, and the side opposite to that angle will be hypotenuse. And other two sides which forming the right angle form करेंगे, so the sides will be perpendicular and base. So in a right triangle, the square of hypotenuse is always equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Right? I would like to repeat. In a right triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of perpendicular and base, other two sides. Now, you must have heard this statement in lower classes, but today you will see how can you prove. Theorem समझते हैं, facts, some are universal facts which are accepted by the whole world. So they are called axioms. You must have heard the name axiom and postulate. Now you see how can we prove this theorem. This is a right angle triangle, BAC. Angle BAC is 90 degree. राइट एंगल यदि आप सपोज करते हैं तो आपको बताना पड़ेगा कौन एंगल 90 डिग्री है, अदरवाइज ऑल द एक्सप्लेनेशन विल नॉट बी परफेक्ट. सो एंगल BAC राइट एंगल. So it is very clear the BC side will be the hypotenuse, the side opposite to right angle. So according to theorem, you have to prove BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. And one thing I'd like to remind that there is a method to present the theorem. As an just like a story may be we change the paragraph, and I understand that you must have understood what is the meaning of changing the paragraph in English literature. So in this theorem, some headings under which you have to put your statement. First is the statement will be given in the question. According to the statement, you have to draw the figure. Then what is given, what you have to prove, and construction if required. You know, many theorems need some extra construction to prove. And last, that is important heading, that is proof. So numbering जो आते हैं वो भी इसमें divide रहता है. If you go with the right figure, you will be awarded half mark. If you write properly given and prove that, you will be awarded half mark. Construction, you will be awarded half. Proof, it will be 1.5 like that. So this is the distribution of marks. Now you see, we have drawn perpendicular AD on BC. Now you see this triangle is divided into two right triangles. Right triangle, you don't triangle right angle. Angle BAC already given. Angle ADB, because ADB have drawn perpendicular, and ADC is also right triangle. So first we see in ADB and BAC. Angle B equal to angle B, common. Angle ADB, this angle, and angle BAC, both are right angle. दोनों में देख रहे हैं इसमें और पूरे में. So by A corollary, I have already explained AAA the theorem of similarity. But if we prove two angles, so that will be sufficient to prove that triangles similar. So they are similar. लेकिन यहाँ ध्यान देना है. We have written ABD here. We have written CBA. Why? Corresponding यहाँ लिखना जरूरी है. And if you change the order ABC, if you write, तो corresponding sides, you know, similar. तो आप कल गलत हो जाएंगे. तो देखिए B कॉमन, तो B को हम सेंटर में, यहाँ भी सेंटर में रहेगा. D राइट एंगल ABD में, राइट एंगल whole angle में A, and we have put C. So this is a very, very important point you should remember. Now you write the corresponding side proportional, AB by BC, BD by BA यानी AB, and AD by AC. Now इन दोनों को हम लेते हैं, इन दोनों को ले लें. इसको एवॉइड कर दिया, इसको लेंगे by क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई क्या हो जाएगा? AB square is equal to BC into BD. Now you see this triangle and whole triangle. Angle C common. Angle C is in ACD and also in ABC. And angle ADC and here angle BAC 90 degree. They are also similar by a corollary, and similar triangles, corresponding sides are proportional. So we have written AC by, यहाँ भी देखना है, ध्यान से लिखना है. Corresponding should be there. And similar triangles, corresponding sides are proportional, AC by BC, CD by AC, AD by AD. And we have taken these two. And on cross multiplying, we have got AC square, BC, CD. So these two equations we have got. On adding these two, left side AB square plus AC square, and right side BC, BD, and here BC, CD. Now left side we have only copied. राइट साइड में लिखे BC कॉमन ले लिया, तो अंदर में आ गया BD प्लस CD. And now you see the figure BD plus CD is equal to BC. So now BC into BC, BC is square. That's all. Proved. So this is Pythagoras theorem. So my dear, you will see. I don't mean that you should remember. You should learn the concept. And therefore, and this is very, very important theorem. So thank you and have a nice day.